Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have something to share with you. This is some Happy Mail that I received from one of my viewers. She actually lives quite close to me, but she sent this to me in the mail. She's been following me on Instagram and YouTube, and she has her own junk journaling business. She has her own website. So here is her store down here. Her name is Jacqueline, and she has Lovely's Crafting Lodge store, and she gave me a coupon code for you right there. You can pause it. I'll also have it down below in my description box. I love her packaging. This is what it actually came in. I'm gonna have to ask her where she orders her bags from, so because that's really awesome. And then she sent me this junk journal. It's amazing. Here's also a coupon or a QR code for her business too. She does a lot of specialty dyeing of papers and other items for junk journals, and also other ephemera and things like that. And she also makes junk journals. So I'll go ahead and, yeah, I'll put her Instagram down there so you can go and follow her. So I'm going to open this and take a look at what she made. This is beautiful. Wow. Turn it over this way. I think this is the... Oh, neat. Oh, this opens. This is so cool. Oh, this is... I love how this opens on the cover. But isn't that just gorgeous? Wow. I love how she used the fabric on the book as like the side tie, or like instead of a tassel, she just tied it around the twine there. Beautiful. And I love this. This is so, oh, this is awesome. And then she included a bunch of her dyed papers in here, so I can just go ahead and add things into this journal. This is awesome. Thank you, Jacqueline. I love it. Oh, I had first seen her coffee dyed papers and asked her how she did it, and so I made some of my own too, but she does all kinds of techniques with her dyed papers. This is amazing. I love it. And then I just absolutely love the fabric and how she stitched it. That's a great idea. I love the pieced together with the middle stitching there. I love this. Thank you so much, Jacqueline. I'm definitely going to be using this, adding in some of my stuff in here for a junk journal. And yeah, it's super cute little journal. So go ahead and check out her store there, and go to Lovely's Crafting Lodge. I think that's what it is. I'll put it up here if that's wrong, on Instagram. I think that's what it is. So yeah, thank you, Jacqueline. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.